This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Pashardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Trading got off to another lackluster start on Thursday, with major currencies and equities subdued and the volatility confined to the bond market. However, the unusual lull is unlikely to last much longer, as the European Central Bank is due to announce in the next few hours whether it will continue to buy bonds at a significantly higher pace or if purchases will be slowed slightly. ECB policymakers have gone all out lately to dispel any speculation about early tapering, and that has put pressure on President Christine Lagarde, as any slip-ups about future adjustments to the pace of asset purchases in her press conference at 12:30 GMT could undermine the dovish message. With future policy changes likely to dominate discussions at the Federal Reserve when it too meets in a few days' time, today's CPI numbers out of the United States will be watched for any possible clues about a tapering timeline. Government bond yields globally have been heading south all week, led by U.S. Treasuries, and one possible explanation could be the setback in Washington by the Biden administration to find support for its legislative agenda, as talks to reach a bipartisan deal on a big infrastructure bill have run into trouble this week. The 10-year Treasury yield was somewhat steadier today, but not far from yesterday's one-month lows. In equities, there was little support from the lower yields, as doubts about the next phases of Biden's pledged stimulus weighed slightly on risk assets. But overall, markets were focusing on the ECB and US inflation data, as well as on the latest weekly jobless claims, to get a sense of direction. Discussions between Britain and the European Union to resolve the row over customs checks with Northern Ireland have not been going so well, dragging the pound below $1.41 today. Negotiations to end the deadlock are ongoing, but Brexit woes are not the only headache for sterling, as daily COVID infections in the UK topped 7,000 on Wednesday, the highest since February, threatening to pause any further relaxation of virus curbs. The euro was also weaker ahead of the ECB announcement, but only marginally, while the loonie was little changed after the Bank of Canada kept policy on hold yesterday, as expected. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.